Yeah, 5'9". Oh, now everybody just bounce, come on, bounce, come on. Oh, yeah, oh, bounce, bounce, yeah.
Down in Miami, sipping margaritas, puffing on a Cuban way. This shorty, she be moving, got me losing my cool and making the whole club sizzle. Way she move it a little, she bring it low, bring it high, bring it back to the middle. Playing these guys like a fiddle, always gets what's hers. Says she's in love with Kerry Kittles and she's from Dirty Jersey. I wanna find out how a little kitty cat purrs, so I'ma work those curves, give her what she deserves. So mommy, bring that little body to the lobby of my hotel. I could tell that you could probably work it out so well, and know well if you be missing your flight, because you chillin' out with the you and I tonight. So don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know.
I can't call it, I got this feeling, so I'm jumping up on it. Little sexy senorita got me sweating like sauna. Run for the border, dip in the water at 10 in the morning. That's when the waiter tapped me on the shoulder, look in the corner. No need to be modest, there she was, hot as a gelada. Prada got us a sipping on a pina colada. I gotta get that name and number, felt the heat like summer. And once I get a hold, no let it go like Wayne Wonder. Here comes the rain and thunder, we start to run for cover. I lose the focus for a minute, now it's brought me under. Bobbing and weaving, dipping and ducking all through the crowds, thinking I'm seeing her something, but it ain't nothing now. Frantically up in the lobby, I search the high and low. She got me twisted, I'm lifted about which way to go. Nice baby, she tight lady, do me alright baby. Man, baby girl, got this player going crazy.
So don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Now mommy, you got me open, hoping that you stay a minute.
The way you shaking, baby, don't stop.
Get it, and we ain't finished till it's closing time.
Like a job 9 to 5 when you party with the
5 to 9 to 9 milli. It'd be silly if you leave and come back up to the city. We can do some heavy breathing
in the Caribbean, dancing through the seasons. Whispers in your ear,
have you feel like you be dreaming. Cause there's no reason to end this rendezvous. As long as I'm with you, no amount of time will do.
The clock's ticking, body rhythms in motion, while the windows open, crushing,
overlooking the ocean. Smoking a roach and soaking in the emotion, hoping you come with me.
You got a hold on me like Chingy, baby, roll with me.
And don't go, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, so don't go. Shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know. Don't go, shorty rock, we could take it slow. I wanna fly you away to Mexico, laying on the show, sipping something tropical. It could be a little secret, no one has to know.
Yeah, 59's finest, 2004, Messiah. Yeah, we coming through for real. Motherfuckers gon' bounce now. Oh, and all my ladies gon' bounce now. And all the fellas gon' bounce now. And then we ride out and smoke an ounce now. Oh.
Made me get back in this. Get my weight up. Get your weight up. Ain't going nowhere. Listen to it, girls. Nah, man. It's for life. Listen to the harmony. Check them out. Work hard for this. Non-believers, they can eat it. Even if I break, I was meant to do it, born into it. Since the evolution came about for doing this music, because not likely to quit, rhyme time still on point. Far from washed up, so many imposters talking hostile. Meanwhile, the rap game is like, see now, let me explain. Pull up skirts, tough talk be false. Just imagine every verse is trash talk to pass the time. That ass is lying. Read between the lines, proofread, and you'll find nothing but nonsense. Pull your card like a dealer. Always the truth like tequila. Swallowing the worm, hollering it burns your chest. My aim is for the head, so what good is a vest? I'm back on my game, yet questions remain. Does he fit in this time frame? Things done changed, can he anybody to reign supreme. It's like a movie, all you need is a day. Wanna smack the out you for talking the talk, your bark is loud. How big is your bite though? I see dogs growl, but soon as you growl back and their ass go to tail, use a money. See things for what they not. Every rapper done hustled on the block. Everybody wanna cock the fifth. They got a special task force that listens to this rap, you idiots. Be more careful about what you say. Don't let your words incriminate you. Putting your biz on blast is not cool. It's nothing to gain, with a lot to lose. For the streets, it's an unwritten rule. Well aware the game is madness, but contrary to the average listener's habits, lazy. It's like the cigarette commercial, true. So radio don't wanna play me. I'm back on my game, and questions remain. Does he fit in this time frame? Things done changed. Can he still spit flames with these dames saying the same old same? Adjust, time on my hands, made me understand what's what. Seeing it's anybody's game, for anybody to reign supreme. It's like a movie, all you need is a day. Lay back, nonchalant, there's very few I relate with it, correspond with. It's like yin and yang, night and day, black and white. The industry be shady and gray, it's all politics. Get back my stride, bubblegum rapper, step aside, clear path, yo. Present is almost past tense, bastards.